Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke, and on here we do cash stuff and budgeting, pin off right there, and mind our business. And baby, not in them full orders, but it's something that we love to do. So if that is something you are interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave your comments down below. But as you can see, guys, we're doing a cash stuffing, baby. We ain't gonna be here for long. We're just gonna be here for a good time, you feel me? So let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is the money that we are going to be cash stuffing today, and before we start, we're just going to go ahead and count it up to see how much it is. So today's cash stuffing is going to have 100, 200, 250, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440, 450, 460, 65, and 70. So $470 is what we're going to be cash stuffing today. We're going to put those where they need to go. Oh, did I put? Yep, I did. Okay, and boom. So this is our money all set up and everything. This is what we're cash stuffing, and we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it, baby, because no time wasted. Okay, so we're gonna go into my bills slash cash envelopes, which I just have everything in here right now, child, and then I might switch it up and move it and all the things, but that's just how it is right now. So as y'all can see, I got groceries up in here, but we didn't budget in for groceries, so she ain't getting no money. She just over here for a good time. Gas for me is transportation, and so I actually want to hold off and put it in my cash envelopes. Let's go to my bills real quick. Let's start off with my bills. So let's start up here. What is that? Okay. So the first bill that I have is internet. And we had budgeted for my internet $130. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a 20, and a $10 bill. So as you guys can see, 100, 120, and 130, and we're just going to put that in here, and once that bill hits, we will know how much that is, and then we will accordingly adjust. Then is my electricity, y'all, and so my electricity in itself, I am putting 100 in there, and so we're doing the actual $100 bill. We're going to put that bad boy right up in there, child. Get into it. Okay, and that's my electricity, so she's good. Next is my water, and my water is getting $60, so I am going to do a 50 and a $10 bill. And so as you guys can see, 50 and 10 is $60, and this is going to be for my water in itself. And so, like, again, whatever this comes out to is what is going to be basically we're going to reduce it, and then we'll basically either put the money in savings or we'll do something else with money. I don't know yet, child. I don't know yet, but once we figure it out, I'll let y'all know. So it is $60 for water right now, and then this blank one is for phone bill, and it's blank because I ain't had to pay my phone bill in so long. Shout out to my mama, but now I got to, and so since I got to, y'all, yeah, that's what's up. So phone bill for the month was $75, so that is a 50, a 20, and a $5 bill. So this is 50, 20, and a 5, so that's $75. I'm gonna put that in here, and then that is all I have. So yeah, that is all I have for that right there. So now I can go back to the front, which I can go back to groceries, which is my cash envelopes, y'all. I just have everything in here, bills and cash envelopes, everything, because this portion, because these right here are my bills, and they come out like between, well, from the beginning to the end of the month. And so because it's coming out and I just need to have the money to the sides, I'm just holding them on until those bills actually come. And then yeah, maybe like next month we'll do half and half for them bills, but for this month, that's how we rocking. So for these ones, for groceries and everything else, this is what we're gonna do. But I only have $20 bills left and a 5. So I'm gonna hold off real quick because I need the change. So we are gonna go into my saving challenges because right now we just stuffed the bills. So let's do my saving challenges, and we're gonna start off with the 100 envelope saving challenge. So I'm gonna open up little baby right here, and as you guys know, we've done a lot already. So we have completed 1 through 40, and now we're in 41 to 45. Oh my gosh, it's actually $45. It's not 40. Y'all, when I tell you, I was like, oh my gosh, I just didn't get $40. No, it's 45. It's crazy work. But 41 through 45 is $45. So I need to make sure that I can do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch out some of the money, because I know I think I did all 10s. I think this was the one I did all 10s for, and so we're gonna switch that out. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40. So we're gonna switch out the $40 here. We're gonna put that there, and we're gonna take these two 20s. We're gonna wrap the baby up for number 37 because it was $40 that's supposed to go in there, so that's cool. Then we're gonna slide that right in. Okay, so that's number 37 fixed. And then number 40. Oh, come on. Oh, child. We got 40. Okay, and then we're going to 10, 20, and 30, 35, 40. And then we're going to do $20. Okay, so we're going to do a 10 in the back and 2 5s, and so take a 20 from there, and so this is 40 again, and we just gonna wrap it up. Just gonna wrap it up. So yeah, and we're gonna put the 40 back in here. And then what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna get me some $5 bills. So hopefully that's a 5. I know that's a 5, but I wonder if this is, no, I think this might be $4. I think this might be 4. Yeah, because I just went to the ATM and didn't go to, yeah, that's 4. Because I just went to the ATM and didn't go to the bank, which I still haven't confirmed if there's a bank here on this base. I need to go ahead and confirm that, but because I haven't confirmed that, y'all, I don't know. Let me see if there is, oh, there's a $5 bill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think we just gonna have to rock out with the 5s and the 10s and the 20s for these, I think that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna have to rock out with those, which, that's cool, that's fine. Just really wish that we had, you know, some dollar bills, dollar bills, y'all, just in case, but that's cool. Okay, so in here, right, my next number, like I said, was supposed to be 45. So, well, not 45, but 41, but I put sorry, it's supposed to be 41, but I put $45 in there. So that is 2 20s, and I'm gonna take my 10s, and I'm gonna take a $5 bill. We're just gonna separate these a little bit so I'm not pulling, you know, incorrect things. And so 20, 40, and $45. And let's close this up. So this is for number 41, right? And so that's 45 right there. That's being put in. Okay, and so our next number is going to be 42, which is $45 to, hopefully I remember, child, because baby, I did not remember for, you know, for this one. So I did not remember. So hopefully remember for the next one. But 42, so that is that. Let's close that up. And then let's go back now to the groceries and everything. Let's go back to the cash envelopes of it, because like I said, the other ones were bills. These are the actual cash envelopes. So groceries, I didn't budget anything for groceries, so she is not getting any money for transportation, which is gas. I'm gonna give her $10 because, you know, taxis and stuff. So I'm put $10 in here for transportation. Then the next is household, and household is getting $30 because I need her to do what needs to be done. Basically, not everything turning on. My humidifier turning on, my fan is still going on, but yeah. So $10, $20, and $30 right here, but $30 for my household, because my household, I still haven't bought those things that I need, but you know, having them here, I can do that. And then I do have some money in allowance, but I didn't take it out of the bank because baby girl did not know what she was about to do. So, well, it was $9.36, like, and I could only take out 20s. That's why you see me over here like trying to finesse what I already got. So yeah, and that was everything else, because then we go into the bills. So I'm definitely gonna, you know, start separating the bills from the cash envelopes from all the things, but I just put everything in one because right now we're still figuring out what our budget binders are going to be. So yeah. And then last but not least, we are going to be doing the SNC savings challenge. So yeah, which this is what we have right now. So this is the saving challenge. Okay, let's get our stickers, or let's get the saving challenge in itself. And I do need to scratch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So everything is ×2 if you're new here. Give me my dollar bill. We use the golden coin to scratch, which is basically a dollar bill, y'all. So we use the golden dollar to scratch the saving challenges. Alright, she don't want to close for now, and we ain't gonna waste time, you know, worrying about her. So I do have 10, 15, and $20, which I think I'm gonna take the I'm gonna take $5 and put in my allowance. So let me take this out. So I'm gonna put that $5 in my allowance, and then this $15 of this is basically what we're gonna use for the saving challenge. So let's see. So I need to, everything here is multiplied by 2. So every time I get something, I multiply it by 2 to see, you know, to basically save extra, because that's what your girl is trying to do. Save a little extra. So we have, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to go. And so today we're going to scratch up until we get to no more than $15, child, because we ain't trying to owe ourselves nothing. So let me go ahead and these two the same. Let me scratch these two right here to basically match up. So this one, the first one we're scratching, okay, $3. So the first one we scratched was $3 because baby girl, listen, when I tell you last week played me, or the last time I did the saving challenge it played me, I was like, bro, don't be the exact number. And guess what it was? The exact number. I was like, bro, you could have did anything else, but you want to be the exact number. I was, man, come on now. Come on now. Hold up, y'all. Gotta take these things off. Okay, so let me get a pen real quick. Ciao. Let me get a pen. And so our first one was number 3. Okay, multiply that by 2. And so that is $6. So 15 minus 6 leaves $9 left to go. And y'all, I bought a little vacuum thing, and so oh my god, that is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. The little things now make me happy, you know, you feel me? All right, so this is 3, so we're gonna scratch this one out here. You better not be a 10, child. Listen, this better not be a 10, okay? Come on now, or a 9. Come on, someone low. Well, I did say not be a 10 or a 9, so you know it did listen. So this is supposed to be $16, which means I owe myself. That's literally what that means, that I owe myself. So we're gonna put that there, and we're gonna put away the golden dollar. We're gonna write down number 8, multiply that by 2 is equal to 16. Okay, so this is $22 in total. So I do have an IOU of $7 because 22 minus 15 equals 7. And so I gotta pay myself that money. So yeah, y'all, so this is the whole entire $15. I thought I would get, like, you know, $1 or $2, but they hate me. This saving challenge hates me, but it saves me money, so, you know, not gonna be too mad. So I'm gonna put this sticker on here, and we are going to take our saving challenge right here. And so these were the previous weeks, and we're just gonna put this one in the back, and then once it's all done, we're gonna count up all of it together and see how much we actually saved. So $15 is going towards the SNC saving challenge, and then of course we are going to do a little bit more later. But yeah, y'all, that is the video. That is the saving challenges hate me, but the money, you know, compliments me, so it's great. Well, that was loud a little bit too. Hold on, I have to get the cover trial. So okay, so yeah, let's close this up. But yeah, that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button while I struggle to close this. I don't know why this hates me. Okay, there we go. I don't know why everything's hating me right now, but yeah, that was the video. Oh my god, girl, think. That was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, if you liked me struggling, or if you like seeing me stuffing my money, budgeting, all the good things, again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you like this video in itself, and then leave your comments down below. Okay, my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.